In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a 1099 NEC on TaxAct. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go under Federal over here on the left, and then under Income. Now, from here, you want to go and scroll down, and you'll see a bunch of different things. One of them is going to say Business Income or Loss, okay? So it should be like down here. I've done it already, so it's up here for that reason. I'm going to click on Review. And whenever you do that, it's going to ask you a bunch of different questions. So the first one you'll see in a few seconds. There we go. You can click on Add Schedule C. So to actually do this, you'll have to add a Schedule C. And then the next thing that's going to occur here is it's going to ask you to select all that applied to you during 2025. So of course, you can select gig worker or freelancer. So here I'm going to click on Continue. There we go. So I'm going to go for some random ones over here just to show you. I'm going to go to Writer and Blogger, and I'm going to click on Continue, click all the ones that are relevant. There we go. As you can see, we've now come to a page where we can go ahead and select the 1099 NEC as a form. So go and click on 1099 NEC and press Continue. And that way you have added your 1099 NEC, and you can go and basically either upload a file in case you have it, or you could go and enter the info yourself. So if I click on upload, you'll be able to upload it. If I click on here, you'll be able to basically manually file each and every single field inside the document. And this is what it looks like. Basically, just go ahead and fill this out, keep pressing continue until you come to the end, put in all the correct info, and you're good to go. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.